If you want to include a web address to another website in your document, you can simply type or paste it in. I'll paste in a link from a NASA website. It's functional, but it's not very pretty. A more professional looking solution is to attach the web address to a word or phrase in your document. You do this by inserting a link. There are several ways to create a link. You can use the link icon in the menu bar. You can go to the Insert menu and choose Link. You'll note that there is also a keyboard shortcut for Insert Link. On a Mac, it's Command-K or Control-K on a PC. And you can also right-click on your image and choose Link. Let's try it and see how it works. Since you probably don't want to type in the entire web address for your link, it's a good idea to copy the URL of the website you want to link to before you create the link. So, after you've copied the web address, click where you would like to insert the link. Let's try using the link icon in the toolbar. You'll get a pop-up with boxes to enter the text you want displayed and for the web address. Enter the word or words you want to show on the page. Then in the link box you can type in or paste the URL. If you type in the field, you can do a search for relevant links across web content in your Google Drive files. You can also click Find More below the search results to browse additional options. Click the Apply button and insert your link on the page. You will notice that the text is now identified as a link by being underlined and in blue. But there's an even easier way to create those links. You can turn an existing word or phrase into a link by simply selecting the word you want to use, then using one of the methods to create a link. I'll highlight a word, and this time I'll use the Insert menu and select Link. You'll notice that your selected text is already entered into the text box. You just have to paste in the web address, click Apply, and you're all set. Your text is now a link, so you won't be able to click on the text to edit it. So if you want to change or remove a link, click on it, and you'll see the web address followed by the words Change and Remove. If you want to edit the text or web address, select Change. This lets you edit the text or change the URL. Clicking on Remove will get rid of the link altogether. You can also turn images or graphics into a link. You can only add a link to images that have their text wrapping set to inline. Click on the image to select it and use one of the methods to insert a link. This time I'll choose right-click and choose Link. Paste in the URL and click Apply. Unlike words, which change to blue underlined text when you make them a link, there's no obvious way to tell that an image is a link, so you may want to let your readers know that they can click on the image to get a link. If your users don't need to edit the document, then you can change the sharing rights to View Only. Then the links are directly clickable and you don't get the pop-up box displaying the link. This works especially well for images, as you get the hand icon, which shows that the image is a link. Hope you have fun using links in your documents.